Now let's go back in time when pizza was not famous in Finland. We'll make reindeer pizza, Poropizza or pizza pie. Let's measure 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of salt and 2 teaspoons of baking soda. Let's mix them. I hope all the Italians are not here. Then some oregano because it smells good. Then 1/3 of a cup of olive oil and 3/4 of a cup of water. And of course, here I'm so eager and hungry that I put 1 too many. So don't put that extra 1/4 cup there like I did. It's not the best idea to be very hungry and make food. Then I'm thinking here, why is this so not good? This dough is too moist. I added a few tablespoons of flour there because it needs to be nice and soft. I could do this dough in my sleep with eyes closed, I think, but this time I was too hungry, and when baking it's always a great idea to use small measuring cups. You make less errors. Those big cups are not a good idea. But luckily everything is fixable when you have more flour. Then just roll the dough a few times. It doesn't need to be kneaded. Just roll it a little bit and make it flat on parchment paper with the help of a rolling pin, or even a bottle or a glass works as well. Then move it to an oven dish. Some tomato sauce. I have here double concentrated tomato, which was surprisingly difficult to find in Spain. I added a little bit of ketchup and then some black pepper and a bit of garlic powder as well. That's not necessary or with the original recipe actually, but it makes it nice. I actually used the same measuring cup to have a little bit of olive oil there so that it goes nicely on top of the dough. This filling is actually almost exactly the same as in the pizza that was the first pizza I ever ate, but this time instead of ground beef I'm using here a reindeer, cold smoked reindeer pieces. So first half an onion, then the reindeer, tomato slices, and then a little bit of Swiss cheese, Emmental cheese on top. At those times we didn't use that much cheese as nowadays I would put, so this is a lighter option as well. And when that's ready, then the final phase, let's tuck the edges like so. I'm not sure why, but it looks nice. A bit of oregano and black pepper on top, and to oven, hot oven 435, about 15 minutes and it's ready. Finally I can eat it, yes!